the Pumpkin Inferno for my birthday. Big shout out to Up Top Wholesalers, Bolivia, North Carolina. Let's build this thing. So now I'm opening it. Open up this. Grab with my finger and then boom, I got it. Oh my gosh, this thing has and then let's open up this side. Okay, let's get started. We got it up there. Now we have to tip it on the box because it's going to call for us to go down. So let's do this. Guys, here we go. Open it up. Look how big the head is. I don't think it was bigger than the Inferno though. But it is still ginormous head. Guys, look at this. Big head. So guys, we got the bottom of the torso on. We didn't know we had to do this before we tipped it over, so we did this. It's kind of tricky, but we did it. So now we have to tip it over.